Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kamara Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hi. So I had to re-record the Lil Nas X video because the one that I uploaded a couple of times keep getting blocked. So I'm re-editing and everything and trying to adjust everything. So basically, I'm gonna try to show like 5 seconds in and out because I don't want the video to be blocked because for some reason my videos are getting blocked when I record to this song, Call Me By Your Name. So I am curious to see what Mr. Nas, Lil Nas X, is giving us. So
in life, we hide the parts of ourselves we don't want the world to see.
Yes.
We lock them away.
Yes, give me Fantasy Island. Yes, I live for this.
We don't.
Yes.
Welcome to Montero.
Yes. Snakes in the Garden, Adam and Steve.
You hit me with a call to your place.
Come on, CGI. Yes.
Romantic talking, you don't even have to try. You're cute enough to fuck with me tonight. Looking at the table, all I see is bleeding white.
Yes.
Baby, you living the life, but nigga, you ain't living right. Cocaine and drinking with your friends. You live in your dark, boy. I cannot pretend. I'm not faced, only you to sin. If you're in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need.
Ooh, spicy.
I'll be on the way like
Yes. Come on, scriptures. Yes. Hunger Games. Yes. Alice in Wonderland. Oh, should have shot your mouth while you're flying.
a sign of the times every time that I speak. A dime and a nine, it was mine every week. What a time and a climb, God was shining on me. Now I can't leave, and now I'm making money in me. Never want the niggas that's in my league. I wanna fuck the ones I envy. Cocaine and drinking with your
Oh, ascending to the heavens. Come on, Angel. Oh my god, this is a stripper pool. Yes. It reminds me of that song FK Twigs did. Call me by your name. Yes, come on. By your name. Come on, catwalk. Oh, he looks really good right there.
Okay, that's right.
Oh my god. Come on, Nicki Minaj. Oh, he split on that. Yes, guys, the stripper boot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Yes. Yes, Lil Nas. Yes, Lil Nas. I like this song. When he released it on Twitter, the sample of the chorus of Call Me By My Name chorus, I was here for it. I was like, I really do like that song. Really do like that song. I love the creativity within this music video now, where basically he's coming forth as being a true artist of his craft. So congratulations to that. Yes, so he's really coming to his own as an artist. I really do commend him for that. I really do. This music video gave me everything I needed. Everything I needed. I love the boundary that he's breaking. I love it. Let them. I know a lot of people are mad. I don't care. Let them be mad. I love somebody who's ready to tap the water, and I think he's here for it. I think he's the one for it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Unfortunately, this is basically the second song I've ever listened to by Lil Nas. I know he had a song called Old Town Road, and I don't really care too much for that song. I did watch that music video like a year and a half after it came out, and I was like, no, that song was not for me. But this song I really do like because I really love the chorus of the song. And I love the visual that he's giving me, you know, taking inspiration from outside sources and do what he wants to do with it. And I commend him for that. Good job, Lil Nas X. Good job. My thing about it is though, the next video needs to be more better. If he can give me consistency within his upcoming album that he's gonna release, oh my god, you might have a fan. If not, I would just stick to liking what you give me and see if I like it or not. But as always, for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I will get to them as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.